basically what is biodiversity? If you see in the photo, it is the diversity of life in an area. Very simply, okay. So we have normally when you go around any place, you will see butterflies, you will see birds, you will see animals, you will see ants, you will see lizards, flowers, plants, other anything. It is all part of biodiversity. Okay. So basically the variety of life. So for the definition, okay, you just see. So definition of biodiversity is a variety of life on the earth, okay, in which bio means life and diverse means the variety. This is one of the definition. The second definition is, you can see, uh, sum total of all genes, species, and ecosystem in a region. Okay, so what is the sum total of all the genes? The example, if I say Mumbai, so it will have, suppose if I say all the humans, so humans will be, you will have different genes in every single individual. That is all different type of genes which we have. Different species, so humans, cats, dogs, horse, butterflies, birds, all the species. And ecosystem is mountains, deserts, river, grassland. All these things summed up together is in a region. If I say Mumbai, it's a region. It is a biodiversity of that region and their interaction with each other and with the environment. So interaction of all different species, all different individuals with each other, and their interaction with the environment. That is the one of the definition of biodiversity. Third is, biodiversity is the degree of variation of life. So different. Biodiversity is the degree of variation of life. Okay. And fourth definition is, biodiversity is the degree of variety in nature. Biodiversity is the degree of variety in nature. There are different definitions depending on who or which scientist is working on it. There is a different definition for biodiversity, the word biodiversity. Now, so in 1992, United Nations, you know that United Nations works towards what is the aim of United Nations?
Global peace.
Yes, global peace. So they had a Earth Summit. Okay, they had a meeting or they had a conference called an Earth Summit. Now, in that summit, in that meeting, they defined biodiversity as a variability among living organisms. So a variability, basically a variation among living organisms from all sources, okay, including terrestrial, marine, other aquatic ecosystems. Okay, so everything which is living in an area, it is including the terrestrial, marine ecosystem, other aquatic ecosystem like rivers, lake, ponds, whatever freshwater ecosystems, and their ecological complexes. What is ecological complexes? Where river meets a ocean, where a grassland and a mountain, or whatever complexes they have, okay, which are the part of. In this includes, okay, everything which is within the species, between the species and of ecosystem. So all different genes which is present inside a species. Example, if I say dogs, which is a species, okay, will have different genes. It is a part of the gene. If I say humans, okay, we have races. There's Negroid races, Caucasian, we have mulatto, Indians are mulatto, or the Mongoloid races. These are all part of the species and between species. So dog, cats, elephant, horse, zebra. This is all are different species and ecosystems, which is the rainforest, deciduous forest, whatever, okay, or the underground forest, or we say the coral reefs, okay, which is a ocean, like a forest in an ocean, okay. All different complexes, all different ecosystems are part of the biodiversity. Before the word biodiversity, it was called as natural diversity. It was called as natural diversity. Okay. Now, the first person who studied this, he named it as biological diversity. A wildlife uh, conservationist, Raymond F. Dashman in 1968, he coined the word biological diversity. The first person who used this word as biological diversity. Okay, there are two words he defined as. He was a wildlife conservationist named Raymond F. Dashman. Now this normally comes in the MCQ. Okay, so write down this part. Okay, Raymond F. Dashman in 1968 used the word biological diversity. Please write down this part. Wildlife conservationist Raymond F. Dashman in 1968 coined the word or used the word biological diversity. Okay. Did you write this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now after that, uh, W.G. Rosen, he derived the word biodiversity. He he basically joined biological diversity to biodiversity. In 1985, he coined the word or he derived the word biodiversity in 1985.